Good morning, it's Wednesday, July the 29th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show bringing you the best press releases and halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, I got a great show lined up for you this morning. I've got two great press releases coming out of the Canadian side, and I've got two halts to report on in the second segment of our show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Mancha Resources, Inc. They trade on the big board. That's the TSX under the symbol LMA. The company is announcing a 700-meter long hole, which was recently completed at the Halted pit, suggests that the volcanogenic massive sulfide, or VMS for short, under the pit is twice as long as initially thought. They've got 36 meters of massive and strongly disseminated sulfides, which were intersected from 626 meters with visible signs of chalcopyrite. Now, folks, if you're interested in this press release, and this is a big one, and you'll have to take a look at the diagram that they've provided in their press release this morning. You can find it on AGORACOM on their hub at La Mancha. That's again on AGORACOM. Look under the discussion forum and you'll see this diagram which shows you exactly why it's so significant. The company confirms that the initial 43-101 resource estimate for the VMS should be completed and released by the end of August 2009, so just around the corner. I've got a quote from President and CEO of La Mancha who states, "Our April 2009 size estimate of 60 million tons for the Halted VMS conceptual deposits may need to be revised upward significantly if the assay results for this hole confirm that the lens extends over a length of 700 meters rather than our initial approximation of 350 meters. We are delighted by this hole as it makes an already promising project look even better." Additionally, folks, take a look at the recent research report by Ocean Equities, who issued a target price of this company. I can't disclose it here, but if you want to take a look at it, again, go to the AGORACOM hub, take a look at the La Mancha discussion forum, and you'll see it there. There's a very recent estimate, and it's as of July 16th. And finally, something you might not know, La Mancha is actually a gold producer, junior gold producer. They had a tremendous quarter last quarter. Revenues were $25 million, and they had net earnings of $3.5 million. It's tough to find a junior gold producer with these kinds of numbers, with this kind of upside. Take a look at the company. They're last at 88 cents. High of $1.08, low of 4 cents, and a market cap of approximately $125 million. Moving on to our next company. East Asia Minerals Corporation trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol EAS. The company is reporting assays which have been received for the first 2 diamond drill holes at its Miwa Gold Project, which is located in northern Sumatra. We've got drill hole number 1, which encountered 2 grams per ton of gold over 57 meters. And included within that, we've got 2.8 grams per ton over 38 meters. We've got hole number 2, which encountered 1.7 grams per ton of gold over a whopping 158 meters. And included within that, we've got 3.3 grams per ton over 66 meters. So more great numbers coming out of East Asia Minerals Corporation. A little bit about the company. They're an Asian-based Canadian mineral exploration company with gold and copper exploration properties in Indonesia and uranium exploration properties in Mongolia. They're last at $1.20, high of $1.44, low of 12 cents, and a market cap of approximately $67 million. Now, let's get on to the halts. I've got 2 for you. Rainy Mountain Capital Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol RMN.P. They've been halted pending news. And finally, I've got, once I can get these unstuck, Uranium Power Corp. Trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol UPC. They've been halted pending news. Disclaimer time, before I forget, La Mancha is an AGORACOM client, so as always, make sure you do your due diligence on each one of the companies that you see on this show. That's a wrap for today. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure to join us again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts in the AM for you.